Dr. Sriharsha. I'm coming from Nandyal in Andhra Pradesh. So I've been practicing plastic surgery for past 3 years, and I just started my aesthetic surgery practice. I've heard about Ashutosh Shah sir 2 years back from one of my friends who has taken a hair transplant course, and he spoke very high regarding sir and the course and the plan with which it is being conducted. So it took me 2 years because I've not yet started my aesthetic practice. So now that since I've made up my mind to start cosmetic surgery practice, so hair transplant is one of the major component of it, and I wanted to learn it from the best of the people in the business. So coming to the course proper, apart from the technicality aspects of hair transplantation, it's a full spectrum course that sir teaches you. It's not just the technical aspects, how you prepare a patient, how you talk to the patients, non-surgical aspects, post-op care, how to set up a hair transplant unit, and the other GST related information and the pharmacy products and all. So I'm quite happy, and I would highly recommend this course to anyone who is willing to learn the art of hair transplantation from the experts. So I would give 5 out of 5 for this course, and I would like to see more people coming in for this course, and highly recommend it. And apart from the Ashutosh Shah sir, his team is extremely cooperative. They are skilled and they are very patient, and they will help you with any kind of help or thing that they are capable of. And even if you are new to this place, you will feel homely in this place with all the people. They are very energetic and vibrant throughout the course. So I would highly recommend this course to anyone who want to learn hair transplant.